Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're...
To St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
That crazy old devil woman.
Vader, let's go! You're on!
It's okay. You don't have to do that. I feel fine, really.
When it was time to stop, you know what he said? The youngsters will take it.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I would like to see where this is going.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't this.
stars up above. Shaboom, you love me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look-see.
I'm sorry. I thought I had a real lion in my crate. I wanted to take extra...
Huh? I'm in school? What? I'm so...
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking for.
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
I don't think so. No!
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos?
Ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Oh, man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong?
My lucky sticker's all dirty.
The Queen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Not my turn.
You just gave up the piston cup. You know that? This grumpy old race car I know once told.
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
Are we to care for those travelers if there is no road for them to drive on? Luigi, what?
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Life could be a dream.
Harder in the court. Seems like my mind has been...
Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
On my way.
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
You were in a demolition derby.
Yeah, it was terrible. And
You sure? Because there's not a scratch on it.
When I changed the direction of my life, when I started Miss Fritter's Racing School!
Lightning Dragon McQueen.
I'll take care of this.
Here, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
A todos, gracias. Mi hijo, el primero en California, se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man! Now